In this video I'll show you how to fix having trouble watching YouTube videos. Seeing the error message something went wrong, tap to retry. I will show some fixes for that. First, open App Store and search for YouTube. And here make sure to update your YouTube app, if update is available. So for me it says to update the app. And after you update the app, check if the issue is still there. If it's still there, then open phone settings and check the internet connection. You can turn on airplane mode and wait for 10 seconds and reconnect to your internet. See if you have stable Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes that gives the issue to the YouTube app. And if you are using mobile data to watch all of your YouTube videos, then make sure you have 4G or 5G enabled. Next is go back to the YouTube app and see whether or not it has fixed your issue. If you are still encountering this issue, go back to the settings. Tap General. Go to the bottom of the page. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. And then tap Reset. Then select Reset Network Settings. This will restart the device and will reset your network. Hopefully your issue will be fixed. If not, go back here and tap on iPhone storage. Select YouTube here and tap on Offload App. And tap Reinstall App. And hopefully this will fix your issue.